Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the top 5 best electric screwdriver sets of 2025. Whether you are a professional tradesperson or a dedicated do-it-yourself enthusiast, having the right tools can make all the difference. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. OLOEY Precision Electric Screwdriver Set. The OLOEY Precision Electric Screwdriver Set features 68 pieces, including 64 high-quality S2 precision drill bits. This cordless screwdriver is designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. With 5 adjustable torque settings ranging from 0.15 Newton-meter to 0.35 Newton-meter, you can easily tackle screws of different hardness. The powerful manual torque of 7 Newton-meter ensures that every tightening is accurate. One of the standout features of this screwdriver set is its impressive battery life. It is equipped with a built-in 350 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, allowing you to tighten more than 500 screws on a single charge. With 1-hour fast charging and a universal Type-C interface, you can easily recharge your screwdriver anywhere. The high-efficiency motor provides a no-load speed of 200 revolutions per minute, ensuring quick and efficient performance. Comfort is key when using tools, and the OLOEY electric screwdriver set does not disappoint. Its ergonomic design ensures that it is lightweight and well-balanced, reducing fatigue during extended use. The convenient forward and reverse switch allows for easy toggling between screwing in and unscrewing. Additionally, the built-in 4 LED lights illuminate your workspace, making it easier to assemble computers or small electronics. This screwdriver set is incredibly versatile, featuring 64 types of precision bits, including Phillips, Torx, flat, and triangular. The magnetic design keeps tiny screws organized, while the integrated storage box ensures that you never lose your bits. The set also includes metal crowbars and tweezers, providing comprehensive support for microelectronics work. Each electric screwdriver comes with a magnetic storage box and a one-click ejection mechanism for easy portability. With a lifetime warranty and durable S2 steel bits, you can trust that this tool will last. The bits resist wear and maintain their shape, even under high torque. Number 4. 180-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. The Ferric 180-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set features 180 pieces, including 162 magnetic screwdriver heads crafted from high-hardness, chromium vanadium steel, and S2 steel. These materials ensure durability, wear resistance, and rust-proof performance. The set also includes a unique pickup screwdriver bit and a folding case design that makes it easy to transport and store. Inspired by container architecture, the design philosophy of this screwdriver set emphasizes the harmonious integration of technology and practicality. The interior features multiple positioning slots that resemble the heart of a precision machine, allowing for easy access to various screwdriver bits. This clever organization keeps your choices smooth and well within reach. One of the standout features of the Ferric Precision Screwdriver Set is its innovative grip. The handle is designed with a high-tech threaded silicone surface, providing a stable and comfortable grip. You can also adjust the holding position to meet the rotation needs of different angles. This flexibility enhances precision with every twist. To enhance your screw-driving efficiency, this set includes a detachable extension rod, allowing you to adapt to different screwdriver head sizes. This feature makes it easy to reach deep or narrow spaces, ensuring that you can tackle any project with ease. The versatility of the Ferric 180-in-1 set is impressive. It is suitable for repairing electronic devices such as mobile phones, laptops, and cameras. Additionally, it excels in assembling and maintaining household items like furniture, home appliances, and lamps. This makes it a thoughtful gift choice that conveys your appreciation and taste. The magnetic screwdriver heads offer excellent adsorption properties, easily fixing various micro screws. The thoughtfully designed ventilation in the housing prevents rust, ensuring that your tools remain in optimal condition. Number 3. Xiaomi OULAIDE Electric Screwdriver. The Xiaomi OULAIDE electric screwdriver is not just any ordinary screwdriver. This multifunctional tool is designed to simplify your life, making it perfect for various tasks around the house. Equipped with a lithium battery, this electric screwdriver is rechargeable, ensuring that you have the power you need without worrying about running out of energy. With a remarkable capability to drive over 10,000 screws, this tool eliminates endurance anxiety, allowing you to focus on your projects. It integrates several features into one sleek device. Not only does it tighten screws, but it can also measure electrical voltage and illuminate dark spaces. Imagine having a tool that can handle multiple tasks efficiently. At the heart of this screwdriver is a high-quality copper core motor, ensuring long-lasting performance and high concentricity. The 31-piece set includes various batch heads, making it versatile enough to tackle any project, whether you are assembling furniture or fixing electronics. With easy-to-use forward and reverse buttons, this electric screwdriver adapts to your needs effortlessly. Plus, the solid construction features a permanent magnet motor and high-strength chromium vanadium steel batch heads, providing durability and precision. The integrated ABS plastic shell is lightweight yet wear-resistant, capable of withstanding even the toughest conditions. Its non-slip material ensures a firm grip, so you can work confidently. The universal charging port allows you to recharge it using any power bank, making it incredibly convenient for use on the go. Number 2. Deli Mini Electric Screwdriver. This mini electric screwdriver set is USB rechargeable and features a powerful 2,000 mAh battery. It provides an incredible amount of torque, making it perfect for various tasks, from furniture installation to toy repair and even sports equipment maintenance. Safety is a priority, and this screwdriver does not disappoint. It includes 4-fold protection systems: overcurrent protection, voltage protection, over-temperature protection, and charge and discharge protection. This means you can work with confidence, knowing your tool is safe to use. Using the Deli Mini Electric Screwdriver is incredibly straightforward. It features a forward button and a reverse button, allowing you to easily tighten or loosen screws. Just press and hold the forward button to tighten or the reverse button to loosen. Additionally, the tool offers 3 torque adjustments, giving you the flexibility you need for different projects. Never work in the dark again. This screwdriver features dual LED lighting that automatically turns on, making it easier to work in low-light conditions. When it comes to charging, the Deli Mini Electric Screwdriver utilizes a Type-C charging port, which is compatible with most modern electronic devices. Plus, its design promotes neat and tidy storage, so you can keep your workspace organized. The Deli Mini Electric Screwdriver is a versatile, powerful, and safe tool perfect for anyone looking to simplify their repair and assembly tasks. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this screwdriver is a must-have in your toolkit. Number 1. Arrowmax M1 Pro Screwdrivers Set. The M1 Pro features a cutting-edge oval design for improved grip and control, moving away from conventional round shapes. The switch button is conveniently positioned near the head, enabling seamless screw fastening and removal. Its compact size and balanced weight distribution help reduce hand fatigue, allowing for extended use without discomfort. With an upgraded circuit board and a robust motor, the M1 Pro can deliver substantial torque across 5 selectable modes. The capacitive touch-sensing technology allows you to operate the screwdriver with a simple touch, enhancing convenience and work efficiency. The M1 Pro utilizes the Smart Motion Control System, allowing you to tighten or loosen screws simply by rotating your wrist. This intelligent feature adjusts the torque automatically, providing an impressive torque range from 1 to 10 kilogram force centimeter, depending on your wrist movement. You can customize the torque settings using the dedicated mobile application. This feature saves your settings, ensuring that the screwdriver resumes in the last used mode, which reduces the time spent searching for the right torque level. The Arrowmax M1 Pro integrates a precision gearbox and a locking mechanism into a compact design. The addition of the M1 angle screw, made from aerospace-grade aluminum, allows you to work in tight spaces with ease. Powered by a high-efficiency 600 mAh lithium polymer battery, the M1 Pro can tighten or loosen over 900 screws on a single charge. Fast Type-C charging ensures that you are back to work in just 100 minutes, and the OLED screen provides real-time feedback on charging progress. The built-in LED light ensures you have adequate visibility in low-light conditions, enhancing your accuracy. The exclusive aluminum case is designed for durability and organization, featuring a magnetic compartment for easy access to your bits. And there you have it, our top 5 best electric screwdriver sets of 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect tool for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which screwdriver set you would choose. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.